Now, I said I was going to talk about my experiences, and each of these will illustrate some of the principles that Carl Smith, Rich Felder, and others have laid out in the writings that I was talking about. At the University of Virginia, we start our students off early. In their first year introduction to engineering, they in fact have to do things cooperatively in groups. We put them together in groups of 4 or 5 students each, because more than 5 students is problematic and fewer than 4 is problematic, but in different sorts of ways. The initial groups are randomly assigned, well, pseudo-randomly, because after assigning the groups, I look back to make sure that there are no problems like one woman in a team with 4 guys. Sometimes that works out, sometimes it doesn't. So I make sure that there are at least 2 women in every team, and I try to balance on other characteristics too. The second team assignment in the first year class, the students are shuffled around. That is, I don't let the team stay together throughout the semester. And in the second shuffling around, it's again pseudo-random assignment, but now I make sure all the students that were on poorly performing teams the first time have been put into teams with people who were on high-performing teams the first time. And then finally, for the final project in the first year class, I let them self-select. By that point, they're all aware of each other and what things they can do and what people they work with and don't work with. So that's the first year introduction to engineering. And it works very well. And the primary thing it does is it prepares the students for the fact that they're going to be expected to behave in teams for the rest of their career at the University of Virginia. And at the undergraduate level, it works extremely well.